In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly change the font size and font style in Microsoft Outlook. Adjusting your font can make your emails easier to read and help you set the right tone, whether you're aiming for professional and polished or friendly and casual. I'll walk you through the simple steps and share practical tips so you feel confident making these changes anytime. Start by signing in to your Outlook account. Once your inbox loads and you can see your recent emails, look toward the upper left corner and click New Email. That opens a brand new message window where you'll compose your note. If the window looks compact, maximize it so the formatting controls are easy to see. Click into the message body so Outlook knows where to apply your formatting. To change the font style, look at the formatting toolbar running across the top of the message window. You'll see a box that shows the current font name. Click that font name to open the list of available fonts. Scroll through to preview your options and then select the font you want. If you've already typed some text, highlight the specific words you want to change first. Only the highlighted text will switch to the new font. If you haven't typed yet, your selection becomes the font for everything you type from this point forward. As soon as you choose a font, you'll see the change immediately in the message body, which makes it easy to confirm the look. Next, adjust the font size. Right next to the font name, there's a drop-down with numbers. Those are your sizes. Click the size box and pick the one that works best. As with style, highlight existing text if you want only part of the message to change. Otherwise, select the size first and then start typing. For most emails, a size in the 11 to 12 point range is a reliable choice for readability, while larger sizes can be helpful for headings or emphasis. Keep your sizes consistent throughout the message to maintain a clean, professional appearance. After setting your font style and size, continue writing your email with those choices. Keep in mind that these changes apply only to the message you're currently composing. Each new email starts with your usual defaults, so you'll repeat these quick selections whenever you want a different look. And that's it. Fast, simple, and effective. Try a few styles and sizes to find what matches your communication style and audience. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial helps you compose clearer, better-looking emails in Outlook.